Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 3/2 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 9/4 tan t square. Number 4, we cancel. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. The x, we have 3/2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. The x we change by this one. This one we have 9/4 tan t square. Number 4, we cancel. Number 9, we can do about factorization. And we have tan t square plus 1. And this one, you got about secant of t square. The square root of 9 secant of t square, you got about 3 secant of t. Now we need to expand this one. You got about 81/16 tan t to the power of 4. Now we have number 3, 81/16, and number 3/2. We simplify together, and you got about 8/9. Secant of t square multiplied by secant of t, you got about secant of t to the power of 3. This one, we have 1/cosine t to the power of 3. This one, we have sin t to the power of 4 over cosine t to the power of 4. Now, we need to simplify cosine t to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. And cosine t will go to numerator. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about z equals to sin t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about cosine t dt. And now we go back in here. Sin t we change by z to the power of 4. Cosine t dt we change by dz. And now this one we can put into z to the power of negative number 4 dz. And now we can apply the formula in here. The integration of z to the power of n dz, we got about z to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So this one, we will have about z to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And we put about c. Now we need to simplify. And this is about negative number 3. This is about negative number 3. Now, negative number 3 with number 9, you got about negative number 8 over 27. This one, we put about 1 over z to the power of 3. About z, that is about sine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 3 over 2. And you got about 2x over 3 tan t. And now we got about t equals to or tan of 2x over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.